For use with powered RCA connectors. Fit type. Universal fit. Package weight. 0.091 kilograms. Package dimensions. 0.99 L x 12.7 H x 12.7 W centimeters. Our hands-on engineering research and development team builds quality into our Jensen Voyager products from the beginning by expertly designing each product from the ground up and validating all designs through extensive testing that is primarily conducted in our own on-site test lab. Top reviews from the United States. Availability. With 3 of these connectors and the PAC VS41, I was able to replace the Jensen JVR212 receiver in my RV with the SONY AX5500 receiver. The 3 camera input all worked thanks to this connector that mates with the Jensen video inputs. Works great. Worked great for new receiver monitor. Simple plug and play to your old cable.